Welcome back everyone. This is the third video of our data science series. In this video, we will going to learn the exploratory data analysis, a foundational steps in data science. Welcome to this presentation on exploratory data analysis, a vital first step in the data science pipeline. We will delve into the techniques and tools used to gain meaningful insights from your data sets, laying the groundwork for successful modeling and decision making. Understanding the data, gathering insights from your data sets, data structures, data quality, and data distribution. Now, data structure. Identify the variables, their data types, that could be numeric, categorical, etc., and their relationships. Data quality. Access data, completeness, accuracy, consistency, and potential for outliers. Data distribution. Explore the central tendencies, spread, and patterns within your data. Univariate analysis, exploring individual variables, descriptive statistics, frequency distributions, and data visualization. Descriptive statistics, calculate measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviations, and quartiles to understand the variable's central tendency and spread. Frequency distribution, visualize the frequency of different values in a categorical variable using bar charts, pie charts, or frequency tables. Data visualization. Utilize histograms, box plots, and other visualizations to gain insights into the variables distributions and patterns. Bivariate analysis, investigating relationships between variables. Correlation, quantity the strength and directions of the linear relationships between two variables using the correlation coefficients. Regression, explore the relationships between dependent variables and one or more independent variables using linear regression models. Covariance, measure the directions and strengths of the linear relationships between two variables considering their variability. Handling mission data, strategies for dealing with incomplete information. Identify missing values. Determine the extent and nature of missing data to choose the appropriate handling method. Imputation, replace missing values with the estimates based on existing data using techniques like mean, median, or predictive models. Deleting, removing rows or columns with missing values if they are limited and won't significantly impact analysis. Detecting outliers, identifying anomalies in your data. Visual inspection, use scatter plots, box plots, and histograms to visually identify potential outliers. Statistical methods, utilize methods like the interquartile range or z-score to identify values falling outside a specific range. Domain expertise, consider the context of your data and apply domain knowledge to determine whether outliers are genuine anomalies or valid observations. Visualizing the data, leveraging graphics and charts for deeper understanding, bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots. What is bar charts? Ideal for comparing categorical data, highlighting differences between groups or categories. Line graphs, effective for visualizing trends over time, revealing patterns and relationships. Scatter plots, useful for examining the relationship between two continuous variables, identifying trends and correlations. Feature engineering, creating new variables to enhance predictive power. Transformation, interaction and binding. Apply mathematical transformations to existing variables to improve their distribution or relationships. Interaction, creating new variables by combining existing variables to capture complex relationships. Binding, Groups continuous variables into discrete bins to create categorical features, simplifying analysis. Modeling and validating. Preparing for the next steps in the data science pipeline. Model selection. Choose appropriate machine learning algorithms based on the type of data and the problem you are trying to solve. Model training. Fit the model to the data, allowing it to learn patterns and relationships from the information provided. Model evaluation assesses the model performance on unseen data using matrices like accuracy, recall, F1 scores. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.